Hey guys, it's Brianna, and this is probably the fourth time I've filmed this, but that's besides the point. I want to start vlogging again, and so this is going to be the first vlog in a while. I vlogged all day yesterday, and unfortunately, I lost the footage. I have a new camera, so I'm still getting used to it, but here it is. Nice super wide angle. If you have any questions about the camera, leave them down below and let me know if you like this new angle. Also apologize for my voice right now because I am a little bit sick, but just ignore that. My family and I are up in New Hampshire right now on Lake Winnipesaukee, so I shall take you along for the ride. It's pretty early right now, so it's really quiet. Let's go out on the dock. So I think the plan for today is to go out and get some breakfast and then probably go out on the boat for the day. So I shall take you guys along.
Smaller garage.
So we're just quickly stopping back at our place and then we are heading out on the boat.
Smoking hot.
We made it to the boat. I think we're gonna head over to Center Harbor for a little bit, and then we are also probably gonna do some tubing.
Oh, I'm not tubing.
You don't want to tube?
I don't want to hurt myself. I already did.
You'll be fine.
No, I already hurt myself. I don't want to make.
He's going tubing. Got my trusty hat, and we are off to Center Harbor. Apparently, I have been deemed the navigator. So we're going from right here all the way over there. We just got here and it's starting to pour.
Yeah.
As you saw, it started to rain, so we're back at square one again, back where we started. There's storm clouds over there. And nice blue sky over here. I get out of the shower and this is happening. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a crazy storm out there. So that was kind of a fail for a boating day. Tomorrow.